Hello my dear students, in the last class we have discussed some problems of exercise 2.1. Today I am going to solve the next problem, that is sixth one. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 inches 3 by centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 inches 3 by centimeter wide. So how much should the picture should be trimmed? So how to solve this one? So first they given here the picture frame width is 7 inches 3 by 5. Let us consider. So this is the frame of the picture. Okay, that is 7 inches 3 by 5. This is 7 inches 3 by 5 centimeter width, and to fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than this much. Cannot be more than this much means the width of the frame is 7 inches 3 by 10 centimeter. So how much should be trimmed? That means the width of the picture is this much and width of the frame is this much. So how much should be trimmed means just a subtraction, larger minus smaller. You will get the trimmed picture. Okay. So how to write this one? So first width of the picture. So what is the width they given? 7 inches 3 by 5 centimeter. So this is in mixed fraction. So convert them into improper fraction. So multiply 7 into 5. 7 5 are 30. 5 plus 3. 38. So what will become answer? 38 in the numerator. Denominator is as 5 centimeter. So this is a conversion of mixed fraction to improper fraction. Next, width of the frame. So what is the width of the frame? 7 inches 3 by 10. So 7 inches 3 by 10 centimeter. So this is also converted to improper fraction. So 7 into 10, 7 tens are 70. 70 plus 3, 73 by 10 centimeter. So how much should the picture should be trimmed? That means therefore trimmed picture width equals to, how to find out that one? Larger minus smaller. Okay, that is width of picture minus width of frame. So now solve this one. Width of the picture is 38 by 5 and minus width of the frame is 73 by 10. So these are unlike fractions. Why? Because like fractions means denominators are same, but here denominators are different means these are unlike fractions. So convert them into like fraction. How to convert them? Just take the LCM of 5 and 10. So 5 2s are 10. No, that means LCM is 10 only. So LCM of 5 and 10 equals to 10 only. 5 first, 5 2s are 10. Now what you have to multiply for 5 to get 10? So here you have already taken 10 as a LCM now. So what you have to multiply? Just multiply 2. So here already 10 is there. Multiply 1, always leave it as 6. So 38 into 2, 76 minus 73. What is the answer? So here denominator is same. You have taken common 76 minus 73. You will get 3. That is 3 by 10 centimeter. So next, the seventh one. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple, and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. Okay, how much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share and by how much? So first, we have taken 3 by 5 part of an apple eaten by Ritu. No, so first write down the data. Okay. So part of an apple eaten by Ritu. So what is the part? 3 by 5, no? 3 by 5. So first, what is the total part? So if you want to take total part, so take it as total part as 1. Why? Because in one part, so in total, this is total one part, no? So in one apple, she eaten by 3 by 5 part, no? So total part is 1. So part of the apple eaten by Ritu is 3 by 5. They asked by Somo, no? So how to find out that one? Part of an apple eaten by Somo equals to, if she eat 3 by 5, that means remaining is just subtraction, 1 minus 3 by 5. Otherwise, in 5 parts, 3 parts are eaten by Ritu. Remaining is 5 minus 3, 2, no? That is 2 by 5. Otherwise, subtract. You will get the answer. So total part is 1 and Ritu part is 3 by 5. So you will get the remaining part, no? So now solve this one. So here 1 is there, no? Always 1 will be there. So what is the LCM of 1 and 5? 5 only. Why? Because 1 into 5, 5 only, no? So take it as common 5. So what you have to multiply for 1? To get 5, you should multiply 5 also here. So here you can multiply 1. 1 into 5, 5 minus 3 as this. 5 minus 3, 2, no? That is 2 by 5. Otherwise, we have taken in here 1, no? You can take 5 by 5, both options same. Cancel it, 5 on the 5 on the. You will get 1, no? That is 1 apple. So part of an apple eaten by Somo equals to 2 by 5. So next question, who had the larger share? So just compare 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. So which one is larger? So here compare 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. So here denominators are same, no? So you can compare only numerators. 3 and 2. Which one is greater? 3 only greater, no? 3 is greater than 2. That means 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. Therefore, Ritu. Okay. Therefore, who had the larger share? Ritu had a larger share. Larger share. And by how much means you have to subtract. You will get the answer. Subtract means difference. So difference is 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. So here denominators are same. 5 as this, 3 minus 2, 1. 1 by 5, no? By larger share by 1 by 5 part of an apple. Next, 8th one. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hours. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hours. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? So how to write this one? So 8th one. So time taken by. So first write down time taken by. Who is that? Michael. Time taken by Michael to color a picture. To coloring a picture equals to 7 by 12 hours. 7 by 12 hours. Next, time taken by Vaibhav. To coloring the picture equals to, so what they given? 3 by 4 hours. 3 by 4 hours. So they ask to do one longer. So longer means you have to compare these two. So compare 7 by 4 and 3 by 4. So here denominators are, sorry, 7 by 12, no this one. 7 by 12. Here denominators are different. That means these are unlike fractions. So we have to convert them into like fractions. Like fractions means the fractions which are having same denominators. They called as like fractions. So here denominators are different. So take the LCM of 12 and 4. So it is very easy to convert the LCM. Why? Because 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12 means LCM is 12 only. So what have to multiply here? So here LCM is 12. So now should multiply here 1, here multiply 3. Why? 4 3s are 12. No, here also multiply 3. So 7 by 12 as is and 9 by 12. So which one is greater? So denominators are same. So compare numerator. 7 is smaller than 9. No, that means 4 longer. 9 by 2. That is Vaibhav. By how much means you have to find out the difference. So find out the difference. Difference means greater minus smaller. No, 9 minus 12. 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. What will be the answer? 12 common. 9 minus 7. 2. So you can simplify this one. 2 1s are 2 6 are. So what will be the answer? 1 by 6 hours. So finally, how to write this one? Who are longer first? Who are longer? Vaibhav worked longer by 1 by 6 hours. Okay, this finishes the exercise 2.1. So the next concept is multiplication of fractions. In that first one, multiplication of fractions by whole number. So how to find out the number? So first take one example. 2 into 3 by 5. So how to multiply this one? So first here 2 is a whole number and 3 by 5 is a fraction. So which fraction it is? This is improper proper fraction. No? So proper fraction. How to multiply this one? So here always 1 is there in denominator. 2 by 1. So first multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. But here there is no denominator means 1 is always there. So how to multiply this one? 2 into 3. 2 into 3 by 5. What will be the answer? 2 3s are 6 by 5. If they given multiplication of whole number, just multiply numerator. Okay. Next, the second one, 15 into 6 by 7. So how to multiply? Just multiply numerator to numerator. 15 into 6 divided by 7 as 15 6 are, that is 90 by 7. Next, take it. I have taken proper fraction. So next take improper fraction. 4 into 7 by 3. 7 by 3. So how to multiply this one? Again, just multiply to numerator. 4 into 7 divided by 3 as is. 4 7s are 28. 28 by 3. How to multiply for improper fraction? 12 into 3 integer 2 by 4. So first you have to convert mixed fraction into improper. After that multiply to whole number. So here 12 as is 12 into 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. 14 by 4. 14 by 4. So here only division is possible. No. 14 and 4 is divisible by 2. 2 7 are 2 2s are. What will be the answer here? 12 into 7 by 2. So now multiply. Before going to multiply, so here 1 is always there. No? Here 1 is always there. Why? Because 2 is in the denominator. No? How to write this one? 12 into 7 by, you can write it as 12 into 7 by 2. So here division is possible. 12 and 2. Here 12 is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2 6 are 12 and multiply 6 into 7. What will be the answer? 6 into 7 divided by 1 is there, 1 is always there, so leave it. 6 7s are how much? 42. Okay, this is the way of multiplying the fraction by whole number. Next concept is fraction as an operator of. If they give an of, so see here of 2 by 3 of 15 by 16. Okay, how to solve this one? Here they given of, so how to write this one? Of means multiplication, just multiply 2 by 3 of 15 by 6. So how to write this one? 2 by 3 into 15 by 60. Right, of means just a multiplication. 2 by 3 of 15 by 6 means 2 by 3 into 15 by 6. So now solve this one. 2 into 15 by numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. 3 into 16. So now see here division is possible, no? Why? If division is possible, try to simplify here only. So first here 2 is there, here 16 is there. 16 is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2 8s are. Okay. Next here 15 is there, here 3 is there. Here also possible, no? 3 1s are 3 5s are. So what are the remaining numbers? Write down. 1 into 5 divided by 1 into 8. So 1 into 5 means 5 only, 1 5s are 5. 1 into 8 means 8 only. 5. 1 is a multiplicative identity, no? If you multiply any integer to 1, you get the same integer, no? Like that. So 5 by 8. Okay. Of means just a multiplication problems. Take another one. 12 by 15 of 3. 12 by 15 of 3. So how to solve this one? Of means just put multiplication sign. 12 by 15 into 3. Okay. Here there is no denominator, means 1 will be there. So now multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So now here division is possible, no? 3 1s are 3 5s are. Again division is possible, 12 and 5? No. So 12 into remaining numbers are 12 into 1 divided by 5. 12 into 1, 12 by 5. Okay, this is the way of multiplying the fractions. And this one is of terms. Okay, of means just put the multiplication sign. Okay, I hope you understand today's multiplication of fraction concepts. If you have any doubt, just ask me. Okay, don't hesitate to ask the doubts. Thank you.